Yeah, and then it says course overview is unlock the full potential of your typing skills with this comprehensive course designed to transition you from a four-finger typist to a master. In this AI series, we have explored platforms like Meta Intro for job hunting and My Interview Practice for mock-up interviews. But what about our personalized learning path? Let's say, for example, you want to learn a particular topic and you don't know where to start from. You don't know what is the path that you have to take to master a particular skill. Welcome to day 211 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Meet StriveLearning, an AI tool that gets you a clear path based on the skill set that you want to master, along with modules and subtopics that you can go with, and it will also give you an estimation of how long this may take in terms of number of hours. So without wasting any time, let's see how this functions. To begin, head over to strivelearning.com and you can create your account by continuing with Google, or of course using the password and email ID and password. Select the account if you have gone with Google, click on continue, and once you register, you can see that on the landing page it says your personalized learning journey, right? You can create your own personalized learning journey. Okay, so you can define your learning goals, get your personalized path, and track your progress. So we have to click on this particular button, which is create your learning roadmap, and give the topic here, right? I have been wanting to learn typing for a very long time, right? Some of you might have observed when I type, I just use a couple of fingers, right? Not the best way, but yeah. So I want to master typing. Okay, so what do you already know? Typing using just 4 fingers. Okay, so let's see if it can generate me a customized learning path for my typing improvement. Okay, and then I click on generate learning roadmap. As you can see, it will predict 1 credits, and we have total of 30 credits in the free plan. This site uses essential cookies to ensure you get the best experience. Click on accept, and there you go. It has created something for me. Let me see if it makes sense, right? Course title: Mastering Typing from 4 fingers to Fluidity. Okay, hours to complete the course 30. It says difficulty level beginner, right? And this is all generated by AI. Yeah, and then it says course overview is unlock the full potential of your typing skills with this comprehensive course designed to transition you from a 4-finger typist to a master of the keyboard. Through engaging modules, you will develop speed, accuracy, and confidence, ultimately transforming your typing into a seamless and efficient skill. By the end of this journey, you will be typing with ease and precision, ready to tackle any typing challenges that comes your way. Okay, let's hope that will become true, and let's hope that I'll firstly able to spend time on this. Yeah, and not just that, you can generate a roadmap, right? As you can see, we have got something here. Is this? Yeah, this is the roadmap that is created, right? You can see introduction to typing fundamentals. Understand the basics of typing, including posture and hand positioning, which is very, very important, by the way, right? And it says this is required. And you can see it has also given something optional, which is typing challenges and games. Engage in fun challenges and games to reinforce your skills, right? So now this is required while this is optional. We can choose to do it. This is 3 hours and this is 4 hours. And after we finish this, we can go to homegrown mastery. Okay, there is something called homegrown mastery, and for those of you who have been typing in the professional way, you already know this. For those of you who are like me or who do not know typing and this homegrown things, okay, you can also learn this along with me, maybe, or maybe faster than me. Okay, so homegrown mastery, okay, this will take about 4 hours, it says. and then expanding to the full keyboard, master the entire keyboard layout including numbers and symbols. This they say 5 hours. I've tried this multiple times. I don't think it's as easy as like 4 hours and 5 hours. It requires a lot of, it's not about time, it's about consistency and practice, right? I have started it multiple times and then I've missed it because I'm in a hurry and I want to type and I go back to this 4 or 5 fingers typing. One day I'll come to it. Okay, and then it says speed and accuracy tree. Okay, enhance your typing speed and accuracy through targeted exercise. And then advanced typing techniques, explore advanced techniques for typing efficiency and style, right? And then typing for different context. Now all of this is good enough, right? What we have to do is save the course. Once you click on save the course, okay, you can view the course. When you open it up, whatever roadmap you saw, those will come as, let's say, chapters, right, on the left side. Now you can edit these chapters if you want, or you can go with whatever AI has suggested. If you click on any of these chapters, right, then you can create content, generate the content that is required for each of this, right? Again, we have 29 credits left. This will require 1 credit. I'll click on generate module. It will take about a couple of seconds and generate it for us. Let's just have some patience. Learning a new skill is a game of patience and consistency. Okay, now you can see that we have got lessons here. The foundation of typing, understanding ergonomics, right? This will take about 24 minutes, it says. And then hand positioning, the key of typing efficiency, the role of keyboard types and layouts. So it has given us multiple modules. Now open this module, then you have to generate the content, right? It mentioned us it will take about 24 minutes. What is that 24 minutes, right? That content, if we want to generate, then it will need 2 credits, right? So I'll click on this generate. Again, we have to have patience. It will generate in a few seconds. There you go. So it has generated the content of the foundation of typing, understanding ergonomics, right? You can see there is an image that is created, right? Along with the sitting posture and the way you keep hand and all. It's just a graphics representation. And then it says understanding ergonomics. What is ergonomics? Why ergonomics is important? Achieving the correct typing posture, right? And then setting up an ergonomic workspace. Okay, practical implementation guidance and additional resources and references. It has given us some links as well, which we can go through. It has given us summary and recommended learning materials. Okay, now not just this, you can also type and ask something more in detail here. If you do not want to go through all of this in detail, you can just explain. You can just ask it to give a summary or something like that. Can you explain this lesson in simpler terms? Hit enter and it will give you the explanation. It looks like the lesson hand positioning, the key to typing efficiency, that hasn't been, so I don't know why it went to the hand positioning while we were active on this particular thing, right? Okay, can you please explain in simple terms about the ergonomics without going into detail, maybe in point? Yeah, there you go. So because this content was already generated, we could ask it to give us end pointers. So that's the way you can structure your own learning path using StriveLearning AI. For those of you who are like me, who do not type the way we have to, let's take it as a challenge and learn typing. Who are with me? Share it in the comments below and we will challenge and learn together. And for those of you who wants to learn some new skills, please try out this platform to create your own learning journey and see if this tool makes your learning journey smoother. And of course, do not forget to share this tool with your friend who struggles with learning new skills. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.